I would recommend this course to anybody who was on a spiritual path, or who's had an intrigue in the spiritual side of who they are, or if they're just drawn to it for whatever reason. The reasons I would advise anybody to come on this course would just for exploration purposes initially, but just if you come with an open mind. I think the way the course is presented, it's pretty ego-free, which is very good when you're on a learning journey, that you've got somebody who's facilitating the sessions, who hasn't got a huge ego, is very receptive to learn themselves, and so you kind of feel you're working in partnership, but obviously there's some expertise with Esteban who's delivering it. So that's a real plus if you're on that journey, because the last thing you want is somebody to be blocking your growth by being full of ego. So that's one of several reasons why I would advise anybody to come onto this course.